Welcome to our classified production facility. Here, defense-grade precision equipment and integrated quality control ensure exceptional standards. These plates meet the hardened system integrity specifications.
Thermal resistance is optimal across all batches.
From design engineering to advanced manufacturing, we implement strict protocols. Tactical performance testing ensures
check compliance on the starboard coupling. A, we need 0 deviation for military certification.
Readings are nominal. B, proceeding to next phase.
Final diagnostic shows green across all systems.
Operational effectiveness confirmed. Ready for deployment.
We maintain the highest classified quality standards, guaranteeing operational effectiveness for global deployment.
Military engineering protocol confirmed. Security clearance verified and granted. Automated manufacturing sequence initiated.
The schematic matches the integration specifications. Block 7 protocols verified.
Confirmed. Diagnostics are nominal. We'll accept the shipment.
The readiness validation confirms operational effectiveness. Reliability is combat proven across all units.
The Eastern European distribution lanes are compromised. We need an alternate route established immediately.
Rerouting air assets now.
We utilize classified protocols for advanced materials processing, maintaining defense-grade specifications.
Implementing military engineering protocols to maintain hardened system integrity ensures operational effectiveness throughout global deployment.
Access verification complete.
Initiating manufacturing sequence. Systems show full operational effectiveness.
Assembly checks initiated. Run diagnostics on the ruggedized system now.
Diagnostics complete. Green status confirmed.
Solid copy. Preparing for engine start.
The tactical integration looks good. Quality control confirms operational effectiveness.
Excellent. Prepare for the next phase of the sequence.
From manufacturing to global deployment, our strategic logistics coordination ensures unparalleled operational effectiveness.
Integration sequence locked. Running classified protocols now. Systems check is green. Confirmed. Operational effectiveness nominal.
Our combat-proven methodologies ensure peak operational effectiveness. Every unit undergoes rigorous readiness validation before deployment.
Tactical readiness status is green across all boards. Good.
Finalize assembly on the deployment vehicles.
From classified production to rigorous battlefield testing, we ensure operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Quality assurance check complete. Initiating automated sealing protocol.
Confirmed. Reliability metrics show green.
The integration sequence is proceeding smoothly.
Quality control confirms adherence to all battlefield-tested protocols.
Our defense manufacturing sequence utilizes combat-proven methodologies for operational readiness validation.
Initiate sequence 7-4. Validate thermal thresholds.
Acknowledged. Systems are nominal.
Maintaining strict military certification compliance ensures operational effectiveness. This classified production
The sequence utilizes classified equipment for defense-grade component fabrication, ensuring combat-proven reliability.
Protocol 7 initiated. Manufacturing stable.
Copy that.
Tactical performance test shows immediate operational effectiveness.
Monitoring production data, we have a green light on the latest batch.
Confirmed. Strategic distribution protocols initiated for global deployment.
We need to verify the integration protocols on the main assembly.
Tolerances are strict.
Our classified production equipment ensures every component meets military certification protocols for guaranteed combat readiness. Our defense manufacturing facilities coordinate military standard testing under combat simulation conditions, ensuring operation.
Verify adherence to Engineering Protocol 79er Alpha at this juncture.
Confirmed. Initiating quality assurance sequence now.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing combat-proven methodologies, testing operational readiness validation for military deployment.
Advanced materials processing with defense-grade specifications. We utilize classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols, ensuring operational effectiveness. Our defense manufacturing sequence ensures strategic precision. Utilizing classified protocols, we validate
Integrating military standard testing under combat simulation ensures battlefield-tested performance and global operational effectiveness. Tactical system integration is nominal. Quality protocols verified. Acknowledged.
Initiating final calibration sequence.
Implementing combat-proven methodologies, we validate operational readiness. This ensures peak performance for global military deployment.
All systems show hardened integrity. Unit operational effectiveness confirmed. Acknowledged.
Initiating global military distribution protocol. Deployment sequence locked.
Material integrity confirmed. Initiating protocol gamma sequence.
Testing confirmed specifications met. Deploying units globally.
We implement strict military engineering protocols, ensuring combat-proven reliability and operational effectiveness for global deployment. Our defense manufacturing sequence implements classified engineering protocols, guaranteeing every component meets stringent military specifications. Our hardened electronics integration meets battlefield requirements, utilizing classified production equipment and implementing strict military engineering protocols.
Tactical performance specifications are nominal across the board.
Reliability requirements met. It's cleared for deployment.
We have multiple disruptions in the central command area.
Rerouting Convoy 47. Alerts turning green.
Confirmed. Supply chain stabilized.
Initial scan results confirm structural integrity.
Tactical optimization successful. Project Nighthawk is a go for advanced testing.
Ensure all personnel follow the revised classified procedures protocol immediately.
What about the contractors on Q2B?
Synchronized continuous production, integrated quality control, and rigorous testing demonstrate successful defense implementation in this facility.